Altcoin news today. Highly resilient altcoin flashing signs of bullish reversal, says the analytics firm Sentient. So what crypto are they looking at? Well, they're looking at Matic, right? Matic has been one of those cryptocurrencies that have been consistently mooning every time there's a dip in the market. But it's interesting because Matic behaves in a very interesting way, but we're looking at it more from a fundamental perspective as to why Matic is going to do well. And it's starting to show bullish signals after meltdown in May that saw the price collapse of over 70% from its all-time high of $2.62. Matic is showing signs of potential reversal according to our data. The popular Ethereum-based altcoin is hanging above the support for now, and supply on exchange is encouragingly dropping. Despite the recent crash, Sentiment unveils that Polygon's on-chain activity continues to grow on a monthly basis. Matic's daily active address is showing really healthy signs of growth over the past few months and is still remaining consistent this month. It'll be hard to ignore the bullish case for Matic if the growth continue. So during the recent crypto meltdown though, Matic supply on exchange saw a consistent rise that acted as a sell pressure. Since then, it has gradually declined to almost where it bounced off, so which is very encouraging. On-chain data is still showing a good amount of sell pressure as each rally saw spikes in the daily active deposits as well. This suggests that a good amount of people are using any pump to exit their positions as well. Matic is just one of those cryptocurrencies people just go in and out because it jumps up so high so quickly every time there's a dip, much like today's actually, because Bitcoin has dipped down to almost $32,000 just before I started making this video. Is Ripple settlement coming soon? Well, it's really worth noting some of the major quotes. No settlement will happen until after the close of discovery. Could it settle before then? Yes, I just don't think that is likely, says Jeremy Hogan. So any settlement is likely to be after at least one of the close of fact discovery. And that is now nearly September and even more likely to be after October 16th. And if it doesn't settle, then I believe that two main issues will be decided by Judge Torres as summary judgment. So as you all know, there's been a delay in document discovery. And so after that delay in document discovery, it's probably unlikely that any settlement is going to happen before then. But after that, looking at summary judgment rule briefly, you can see there that motions for summary judgments must be filled within 30 days of the close of discovery. So that puts the parties competing for motions for summary judgment due no later than 30 days of the close of all the discovery. And that is November 16th for us. Now, I don't see the case being decided at summary judgment until early 2022, maybe January. So, and I don't see any reason why SEC is going to be in any rush on this case. The more time goes by, the better the SEC settlement position becomes, because the more pain for Ripple. I see it every day in my firm as most of my clients are fighting large insurance companies, and there's nothing they like better than to kill my clients with time. It's a very common tactic. So SEC is just being painstakingly annoying, but it looks like the end is sort of coming near. But I don't really think this has any more sort of negative impact on the XRP price per se. There is a video that I've just done today which talks more about XRP, but I think XRP is looking very bullish. I don't think it's going to go anywhere below 60 cents. Moving forward, we're looking at the market for DeFi. Look at the amount of users that are coming into DeFi. It's absolutely amazing. So encouraging to see how many users are coming in, from hundreds of thousands, 24,000 users across the entire DeFi network to right now, which sits at about 2.8 million users. We're seeing that increase on Uniswap. We're seeing that increase on Compound. We're seeing that increase on 1inch. Look at that SushiSwap. Very encouraging. And look, we thought that the increase was crazy down here. This graph looked like this already back when it was down here. MakerDAO showing great strength too. But yeah, there's so much more to go in DeFi because of, crazy returns that we're seeing across some DeFi networks, just on staking. People are loving that, eating that shit right up, which is amazing. And you can see on across most exchanges and DeFi protocols, there are some very consistent gains in users. And it's undeniable how strong this sector is of cryptocurrency. Moving on to a bit of silly news, Dogecoin car crashes, so does Doge's price. So there was a car that was sponsored by Doge, which was in a race, and it spun out, and as it did drop the price on Doge. Just having a quick look on Doge, obviously picked up as high as 42 cents, and there was a dip there like so yesterday, and then we're experiencing another dip because of Bitcoin basically crashing the market at the moment as low as $32,000, which happened literally just minutes ago. So that's just a quick news on altcoins. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you want to stay updated with what's happening in the market, make sure you go like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you can become a better informed trader and investor in cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.